Why y'all was using y'all hands to put my french fries in the bag? That was so nasty, and I saw that shit.
I didn't touch it.
I saw it in the mirror.
I didn't touch it.
Is the manager here?
I am the manager.
You didn't see it.
No, I didn't touch anything. I said.
But you the manager, but you saw it. Hello, can I get some fresh french fries? That's all the hell I wanted. And then that little nasty ass kid, he wrong for that shit just because I asked for some fresh french fries. That's my money.
Yeah, I just told him to wait. I just closed him out. I don't know what he just.
Okay, well, all I want is my french fry. I don't want no damn trouble. I'm hungry.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean,
Got to be kidding me. That's why you really have to pay close attention to who fixing your damn food these days. That's damn ridiculous. And then he gonna run off.
yeah, sorry about that.
Where's the salt? Ain't my goddamn food.